What's going on, guys? It's Gabe here. I'm back in another YouTube video for you guys today. I know it's been a while. I've just been out of town. I've been to Oregon, and then I went to my dad's, which is about 3 hours away from here. But anyways, I'm actually doing my first shoe unboxing. I actually purchased this pair of shoes 2 weeks ago, and it's actually the first pair of shoes I've ever paid for. So I paid for this pair of shoes with my own money. So let's go ahead and open this up. I did, as you can see, I did open it, but I wanted to open it up for you guys. So let me try to do this for you guys real quick. Okay, so I bought this from Goat. I think I like Goat more than StockX, but it's just my opinion of what app I would use. But here is all this info about it. I got the Air Max 720s, size 11.5, and they're very cool. I like them. I got the triple black colorway. Let me show you guys. And here they are. This is the Air Max 720 triple black, or it might be said different instead of called triple black, but here's the 720 logo, and then it got the, you know, like a triangle oval looking shape. I thought that these shoes are very cool. I looked at them online. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy these. And these is the first pair of shoes I've ever bought, and it's very cool. There was a bunch of different colors. There's a neon color and another color. Also, let me show you this Goat to prove that I bought it from Goat. And then here's all this info. It's like all of them are marked open except for where it says structure. Don't know what that means, but the box isn't like completely nice. Oh, so I got a good sticker. So the box isn't like perfect condition. So I guess that's what it meant. I'm gonna go ahead and try these shoes on real quick and show you guys what it look like while I'm wearing them. These actually do flex. This part right here, it flexes, so these parts, you know, could get smaller on the sides depending on where you have more pressure at. I'll go ahead and show you guys these while they're on my feet, and let's go do that right now. Here's my shoes while I'm wearing it. One thing I will say is that I don't like this little rubber piece right here. It kind of looks a little weird right in the front. If you guys look at that, I think that part looks a little bit weird, but other than that, I think these shoes look very cool. And see, when you flex it, it creases. I know there's like a shadow. Let me try to get a better angle. So when you step really hard right there, it flexes. That's kind of hard to see, but what do you guys think about these shoes? I think they look very cool. And rate these shoes. What do you think? I'll probably give these shoes probably about a 7 or 8. I really like these shoes. They're pretty comfortable. The shoelaces do sound a little weird, but these shoes are nice. They're comfortable. And now I could jump because they're Air Maxes. I'm just kidding. Hope you guys like that mini shoe unboxing. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Next video, I'm actually doing a Roblox video. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm doing a Roblox video because someone recommended it, and it's been a long time since I played Roblox. Probably like 6-7 years, maybe 8. We're gonna play it and see how that goes. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace out. So much breathing. Okay, I'll see you guys later.